Unveiling the mysteries, angles of maths and their respective images. What is an angle? An angle is the space between two straight lines which come together at a common endpoint called a vertex. Acute angle. An acute angle is the smallest angle there is. It measures less than 90 degrees. Right angle. A right angle is an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees, forming a square corner. Obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle that measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Straight line. A straight angle is an angle that measures exactly 180 degrees, forming a straight line. Reflex angle. A reflex angle is an angle that measures more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Time for a quiz. Which angle is this? A right angle. B. Acute angle. C. Obtuse angle. You have 5 seconds to think. Correct answer is an acute angle. Which angle is this? You have 5 seconds to think. The answer is right angle.
Again, you have 5 seconds to think. Which angle is this? So the correct answer is acute angle. Another question. 5 seconds for this too. And the correct answer is a straight angle or a line. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, write it in a comment.